Hello, everybody. This is Rob again from Make Money Audit on the YouTube channel and MakeMoneyAudit.com. Today, we're doing an audit on Tony Landsrides. I'm sure I messed up his name. Basically, what he's claiming is Claude Code plus YouTube 14,000 a month. Anyone can do this. So basically, he's saying that anybody can make 14,000 a month. In this video, you're going to find out that 14K was the channel he ran in 2020. He had a paid team. It cost him $1,000 a month. It was never his method, and he was not, and it was not never profitable. So basically, I ran this audit and to see what it came up with, if this is viable. I mean, everybody's using Claude Code right now on YouTube. I use it for my YouTube channel, but his claim on making 14,000. So let's just kind of listen to him here for a little bit before we go into the score on the grade and everything. Here we go.
My first faceless YouTube channel to 14 grand a month back in 2020. But that wasn't all profit because 6 years ago, making videos cost money, so a lot of the money went back into scriptwriters, voiceover artists, video editors, and thumbnail designers. But today I can produce a full faceless YouTube video for a fraction of the cost using Claude Code. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Claude Code to make 10K a month whilst working part-time hours making YouTube videos. Let's get into it. Section 1, find a niche that's actually dominating.
All right. So right off the bat, you should know YouTube is heavily tagging these faceless YouTube channels that are made by 100% AI going into it. So if you think you're going to be like everybody else and make a faceless YouTube channel and succeed like he's claiming, you better wake up. So we want to go ahead and we pulled this audit. Let's see what we got. And his score came back as a D. And I'm going to tell you why. So it says here, how to make 10K a month with faceless YouTube AI. Okay, right off the bat, you should know if you're involved in this and you're serious about it. Faceless YouTube channels, bazillion people are trying to make them. Finding that special niche is like trying to find a unicorn. Good luck. So the AI faceless YouTube automation, the video pitch is creating faceless YouTube channels using AI tools, Claude Code, Hickfield, 11 Labs, and FFmpeg, an automated script writing, voiceover, video editing, and thumbnail design. Good luck in making all that without costing you a lot of money. It claims that a beginner can achieve 10,000 a month working part-time hours, dominating a niche. Citing an example channel that made 17,000 in his first month. Yeah, back in 2020, when YouTube was still fresh and not a lot of people were doing this thing. So the grade was a D. It's very risky. Significant red flags. Yep. Most won't recoup their investment. Probably not. Not even close. So let's see. Time to ROI analysis. Let's see. The video implies a beginner can achieve a significant income and potentially 10,000 per month within weeks or a couple months. No, you're looking longer than that. Like I says here, 6 to 12 months. I've heard 18 months. By replicating success channel that earned 17,000 his first month, realistically from scratch, beginners will take 6 to 12 months effort to just reach YouTube monetization threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That's a lot. I mean, my channel is growing and I'm not anywhere close to any of those numbers. Not even close. So achieving 10,000 a month from ad revenue alone typically requires millions of views consistently with multiple year endeavor for most channels. Yep. You're never gonna, I mean, this is why I built this this website, was to basically say these guys and their time frame to make money, they're full of shit. I mean, BS, 100%. This actually should be an F, not a D, but my system, gave it a D. If it was me doing it just by myself, I'd give it an F. So let's see here. Real economic analysis. Yep. Well, a video suggests replacing a 1,000 a month team with AI tools themselves still incurs cost. Yeah, so it costs you money. Claude Pro 11 lab plans. I mean, Claude Pro is $100 a month. Underlying APIs in Hickfield, yeah, there's that key word again, API. You're going to pay every time somebody clicks on your website or whatever you're trying to do. Image videos, generation cost 50 to 200 per month. Yep, scaling plus usage. For a beginner, initial ad revenue, monetization, typically very low, 100 to 500 a month. You're just going to be spending, not making, spending for almost a year. You think that's going to be worth it if you can find that unicorn niche? Good luck. And let's see, risk factor. The model is entirely dependent on YouTube algorithm and monetization policies, which can violate AI generated content. There we go. Also, faceless originally or demonetization issues. Yeah, because if you're not on the video or you're not using your own voice, which I mean, even 11 Labs, unless you record your own voice, that's not going to cut it. You're going to run the risk of YouTube shutting you off and then all that money you've wasted. So let's see here. Yeah, AI generated videos. Yeah, no doubt. I mean, the videos this stuff can make is unreal. It's just amazing to me. Often struggle to complete human production content and long-term engagement and viral. Relying on dominating with volume is an increasingly saturated AI content space. Yeah, everybody's doing it, like I said. So unless you can find, the channel that chases down the golden unicorn, good luck. You're going to have to pay your dues. You're going to have to spend money, and it's just really not a risk that I would suggest. I don't know why my system does this, but who should pursue individual with existing strong understanding of YouTube SEO, video storytelling, audience engagement? Yeah. I mean, if you have a channel that's already a couple thousand subscribers, you're good to go. Have at it. You're just a new guy starting a channel in your garage or your basement. I wouldn't even waste your time. I'd look at something else. Who shouldn't do this? Yeah, beginners with no prior YouTube experience, those expecting quick rich. Yeah, you're not going to make money on this at all. I mean, you're going to spend money before you make money. And this guy is just, basically, obviously, he's trying to get you to sign up for this stuff like all of us do. So don't get me wrong. I have my stuff on Gumroad that you can get that I can do an audit for you. It's just another income. I mean, but my channel is based on calling these guys out or ladies and telling everybody that, yeah, you can make all this kind of money. Well, yeah, you could make the money, but you're going to spend a lot of money, and the time frame that they tell you is what pisses me off. You're not going to get this in a month. You're not, unless you find the golden unicorn. It ain't going to happen. Anyways, enough rambling on. So you go ahead and go to makemoneyaudit.com. What you want to do, if you want to run your own audit without me, you can do your own. Copy the URL, copy the transcript, confirm you've got the right thumbnail, which we do here, and hit enter. And it basically gives you this. Now, I would suggest you download it so you can make your notes and, keep whatever you want there. You can share it in case you want to send it to somebody. But if you run another audit, this is gone. It doesn't save it. And then my good old newsletter, one of these days, I'm actually going to finish that and get that going. But you could subscribe and I'll start sending you maybe audits I do on my own without showing a video. But anyways, all right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Appreciate your time. Have a good day, everybody. Till the next video.